It doesn't see in the dark. It owns it. The Eurasian eagle owl, master of the night sky, moves without a sound. Each wing beat is a whisper, every stare a weapon. With eyes 6 times sharper than ours, it rules the forest when everything else sleeps. It hunts through silence, guided only by the faintest sound of breath or heartbeat. Its power is not noise, but precision. In the black stillness of the night, the eagle owl becomes what no machine ever could. Pure instinct, pure focus, pure predator.